Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to become a digital creator on Facebook. To do that, open Facebook app, press your profile icon, press three lines at the top left, press Turn on Professional Mode button. By enabling this option, you can get paid for your content that you create on Facebook. Here, press Turn on button. Press Next. Choose Default Audience. For a creator, it is best to keep what you share public so that your audience can interact with it. Select Public option. Confirm your choice. You can earn via stars and gifts from your fans and subscriptions depending on eligibility criteria. Professional tools provide you insights on your content that you share. Then you can share this update with your audience. After that, Facebook shows you goals and tasks that you can start your journey with. And now if you go back to your profile, you will see digital creator tag below your bio. And this is how you can become a digital creator on Facebook. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.